Hello, thanks for stopping by Battrx.com. This how-to video will show you the 3 easy steps to rebuild your rechargeable battery. Step 1, raise the slots and the tabs. Step 2, lay out your connection pattern using your ring connectors. Step 3, refold the tabs and receivers to their original positions for a standard electrical connection. Insert the tabs in the holes. Step 1, for wires, strip back pass through the locking tabs and insert the wire through the slots. Step 2, insert the ring on the fitting. Step 3, bend the tabs down to their original design and you have a standard electrical fitting. This configuration of the wire and tab repair accessory is used primarily in this position for repairs in the center of an array or when your weldment is too close to the end. Well, as you can see, this tab is too mangled to use when it's removed from the inside of an array, and this weldment is too close to the end. Simply take your accessory repair, bend it back on itself, cut the tip to fit, insert your connector through the slits, pull back the tab, and use it like you would any other accessory. cell in series for cell to cell is used primarily for custom application. As shipped, you'll get a series of pairs shrink wrapped for shipment with insulation at the bottom and stickers on the top to differentiate between the different polarities. To use, remove the shrink wrap and the insulation at the bottom, and it should look something like this. Then, in order to parallel them, you just simply bend in half and add on to whichever type of an installation you're going to go to. Keep one to the next, one to the next, one to the next, and finally a connector at the bottom. Another very common installation used in government situations, sharks and Roombas, looks something like this, where you have a unenclosed pair with wire takeoffs attached to an attached pair. You can add as many attached pairs as you would like and either terminate it with a connector or continue all the way up, positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative.